Hey there, YouTube. All right, everybody, here we go. This will be a short little video, handyman type thing that some of you, I hope, will benefit from. What we have here is a door hinge that has become loose. The door doesn't shut properly anymore. And the Phillips screws, 2 out of the 3 are stripped. So I'm going to show you a quick, inexpensive fix without, hopefully without having to take the door off. So excuse me while I set up here. This will only be about, I don't know, 4 minutes, 5 minutes at the max. Alrighty. I have some Gorilla Glue. I'm not affiliated with them at all, but I like this glue. It's a wood glue. And I have my cordless drill. Just going to take these out. All right, counterclockwise. One, 2. I'm going to take 2 out in the beginning. If you don't have glue, you can try it without the glue in the beginning. It just seems to work a little better when you have the glue. Okay. I shove that down and break it off. Right there. Add a little more glue. Put that in. There we go. All right. Now, if this method doesn't work for you, something else that you can try, and that is getting some wood filler, wood putty, so to speak, and fill your hole with the wood putty. Let it dry, and then go ahead and get a very tiny drill bit and drill a pilot hole and drill, put your screw in. Now to tighten, we just go clockwise. You don't want to over tighten. Okay. There's one. There's two. Okay, now counterclockwise to loosen the one that was in the middle. Okay. And I'm using a round toothpicks. I just prefer them. Just a little more material. Okay. And one. There's two. Okay. I like to squeeze most of the air out of the glue bottle. Okay. All right, once again, clockwise. There we go. I normally don't put that much glue on. And that should do the trick. Give it a test. Open and shut. Well, I think that's going to work just fine. I want to thank you all for tuning in to my channel. It's Randog 1951. And I also have another channel I created that's called Today's Special 1951. I appreciate that you folks would subscribe and give me a thumbs up. I'll be doing a lot of handyman things. There'll be welding, and very soon I'm going to be converting a 1984 Chevy van that only has 89,000 miles on it, and I'm going to travel the country, so I'm going to convert it over to a new home, new used home. So please check back. Y'all have a great day and be safe. Thanks again.